This episode is all about decision making. I don't know about you, but we live in a very noisy world. So hopefully I'm not the only one who feel that I am being pulled in all types of directions of how I should move forward with my love life, how I should move forward with my career, what success looks like. Oh, what does someone over 30 should be doing? Oh yeah, I felt the pressure. After 30 years old, I was supposed to be married, having 2 kids, have my career that just well off. It just didn't make sense. It was such unnecessary stress when I think about it. Versus learning how to go within and make my own life-changing decisions so I can own them. I can take risk without feeling as if, what if I get this wrong? Not that you're not going to feel those things, because you're totally going to feel those things. But it gives you more confidence when you know that you've made the right decision based on what you felt was the right next move for you. So in this episode, I'm going to quickly show you how to go within. It's nothing new, by the way. Many of you have already heard it, but how many of us are really, truly practicing it versus reacting to our emotions and making these decisions on our lives, like the important part of our life, such as who are we dating, who are we marrying, what career are we going into, should I have kids, shouldn't I have kids, how should I raise them? Should I spend money on this big ticketed item or should I save it? Should I take that vacation? All right, the list can go on and on and on. And we all know, because I know I've done them, how those bad decisions have some huge consequences behind it. So, again, this episode is all about learning how to go within. This is quick. I want you to take 5 minutes, especially on the moments that you feel as if I don't know which way to go and I need to know the right move. See, what's worked for me, and I've learned this from a ton of research study, a ton of data, people I've spoken to, people that I admire, such as Oprah, Tony Robbins, Les Brown, and of course for me, God, the Bible. I've learned this over and over again, that when I go within, when I take 5 minutes every morning and just go within and just ask out loud. You can ask, I ask God, because that's what I believe in, but you can ask the universe, whatever works for you. What should I do with? How should I approach with? Or what is the best next move for me? Especially those life-changing career moves or life-changing, I think raising a family is life-changing. Should I have a family now? Because I know society is telling me I'm getting too old. I need to have all my kids by 32 or you've missed the boat. I don't know about you, but kids are a huge responsibility. It's a beautiful blessing, but it's a huge responsibility and you need to find out what is right for you versus what society is saying, what you need to be doing. So I have found that when I take 5 minutes, as I mentioned, just being out, there's a ton of videos on YouTube that you can go into, literally all kinds of YouTube videos, and just search in the search tab, put 5-minute meditation. Or you can do it on your own, whichever feels right for you. Sit there, take a couple deep breaths. What's really cool about the YouTube video, they do guide you and letting you know when you need to take a breath and allow you to be still so you can go within. And when you don't feel an answer or a nudge or any hunches, that means that you're not supposed to do anything yet. And when you feel as if you're being torn, you feel anxiety, you feel emotional, do not make a decision. That is not the time to make a decision I know when I feel anxious or conflicted, I back away from decision making and I wait till the next day. Usually in the morning, that is my peak time. As soon as I get up, I do my rituals, the 5x5. And the 5x5 is 5 methods. And I'm only sharing one right now, which is the 5 minutes of meditation. And those 5 minutes are gonna allow you to go in and really take a couple deep breaths to ease out all that anxiety, all those concerns, and allow you to go within so you can figure out what is the right next move for you. I hope this video helped. I'm gonna summarize this really quick. 5 minutes, early in the morning preferably, where a place where it's isolated, no one is distracting you, that you can go somewhere quickly, just to relax, take a couple deep breaths, and just go within, ask the question out loud. What is the next right move for ... You answer that and just play the YouTube video, the meditation video, and see what happens. I hope this helps, but I don't know about you. Again, I am done, completely done listening to what society is saying where I need to be. I want to walk in my own light. I want to create my own path and follow that path that was created, divinely created for me. That's how you don't lose the mark, my friend. This is how you become the best version of yourself. When you take a stand and say, I will not live under anyone else's light. I'm going to have my own light. I'm not going to dim it. And when you have those answers within, there is a conviction. So even if someone tells you you're wrong, you shouldn't be doing this, it literally overrides all those opinions because you know within what feels right. And your why becomes even stronger. Please put it in the comments if this video helped you. I'm excited. Follow me on Instagram at She Fixes Crowns. And if anything, subscribe, not being forced. I hope this video did help you and that you stay tuned as I share just my thoughts on things that I've done a ton of research, a ton of data, read a ton of articles to be able to execute with many of the tools that I'll be sharing with you that I know that it has worked. And I've shared it with thousands of people that I know that has helped them become the best version of themselves. It's all about overcoming your challenges and becoming the best version of yourself by discovering your purpose. All right, well, have a good one. I'll talk to you soon.